how to send crypto from Binance to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to send crypto from one Binance account to another Binance account. After you open the Binance app like this now, go to this assets. After you come to this assets now, go ahead and tap on this withdraw. From this withdraw, go ahead and tap on this withdraw again. Under this option now, go and select the coin you want to withdraw. So for me, I want to withdraw USDT. So tap on this USD. Select this second option, send via email, phone ID. So select this one. So from this option now, here is the method. So tap on this Binance ID. So from this option now, we have three ways on how to send crypto. You can send it via email, via phone number, or via Binance ID. So for me, I'll use Binance ID. So after you collect the Binance ID of the second account that you want to send, so now paste in the ID in this option now. Now here is the Binance ID. After you type in the Binance ID, now go ahead now and type in the amount of crypto you want to send. So let's say I want to send all of my USDT. If I tap on this send button now, the USDT will be sent into the second Binance account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.